Elanga lomzuzu, welcome to Diaza TV. Another episode of Impahla Mntanami, Diaza Clothing.
Bafethu, sendumela. Umsebenzi bafethu kade abantu bebuza ukuthi ama-hoodie abuya nini. Sesivele sabuya nanamasweater ke. Akhona ama-hoodie bafethu wonke ama-sizes akhona, almost wonke ama-colors akhona. Mawufuna nje umsebenzi uzowuthola u-available.
Yes. Makepisi akhona bafethu akusuka ama-sweater kuphela. Akhona nama-hoodie.
Veza nje bafo.
Akhona nama-hoodie bethu.
Hoodie nje nayo.
Hoodie nje nalena. So this one is 500 rand, a hoodie, and then this one is 450.
Hey maningi. Khona no pink face.
Yeah, veza nabo pink bakhona. Amakepisi akhona.
Ayikho into engekho.
160 rand.
Yini engekho vele? Kuningi. Ama-sweater
160 rand ama-cap.
Hey.
So guys, yeah, la ngama-event khona sesobonakala mhlawumbe kwezinye indawo sizoyibona iDiaza Clothing izobe khona XY show vele sizodayisa bafethu niyazi ke kuyabanda manje and iwinter event izophela kodwa nje cela sithengeni na iDiaza TV ubonakala nje umlandeli weDiaza TV ubonakala ukuthi cha hayi yeah
bonakala ngeskipa bonakala ngobuhle bomsebenzi weDiaza TV usukhona bafethu umsebenzi siyabonga kakhulu for support besicela ukuthi abafisa ukuthenga bafethu siwafaka ama contact details nizotexta la nami nizoyibona escreenini bese ke siyandelivela ngendlela esondelivela ngayo
na Facebook guys ningakhohlwa because enye information eningi nje isola Facebook so follow our page on Facebook Diaza TV mofika lapha uzothola yonke information inamba nokuthi uthola kanjani izinto konke nezithombe kukhona nje Elanga lomzuzu, welcome to Diaza TV, another episode of Young Jolela Mntanami. Another day, another dollar, another hot one, another banger, bafo.
Hey, bathi abantu ngabe ngisazi siyadumela, udumela usho ukuthini siyadumela. Or iyadumela.
Uyasho futhi.
No, ngizama ukushintsha bangicorrectile. Riyadumela, senibingelela emakhaya.
Ulakuthola bengisahleka.
Abantu bafunani vele kahle kahle.
Ayasithi la ngeke ngicabanga, ngikubuza ngicabanga ezweni ngathi mina no. I think episode elandelayo kumele senze yonke into
abayifunayo but kayevusi sorry obani labemele senze into abayishilo ngoba bheka ke kuno 80% othi mina ngiyalithanda uhleko lavusi mase kuba no 10% or 20% othi lanyanyisa lohleko lawo anake impathe ama advice akho seqala ukusinyanyisa mina ke yazi bese kuba khona yazi ukuthi ama advice I mean ama comment 80% or 90% they are always positive bese ukuthi 10% wama comment ebe negative bese yakuhlaba lento ikushaya enhlizweni vele inhliziyo uhetheke but into esengeke notice ukuthi there's always going to be haters kuyohlezi kukhona umuntu ongakuthandi noma kuthiwa wenza uzama kanjani ukwenza into right there's always going to be someone ongakuthandi
impilo kuziqhubeke phambili kumele kube khona vele lozokhitha
ungakuthandi
lo ozokuphusha kumotivate
yakumotivate kakhulu
yenzeke lento le ngoba manje khona vele nabayithandayo so like ukuthi ayiwo bonke abayifuni
hayi ukuthi ngikho ngitshela ukuthi mina ngoba uthi wena uzoyeka ukuhleka ukwenze lento abayifuna ifuna ubani ngoba abantu abaningi basanda ukuhleka kwakho bayathanda indlela mfethu oba entertainer ngayo nami kwamina mehleka nami ngiyajabula so kuba khona abajabulayo mase kuba yilaba abangeke vele enanokuthi ke bafethu ngeke phela sizwe ngani kokunye yabo and you guys must understand ukuthi no one is perfect abantu abayifunayo bafuna iperfection iperfection doesn't exist iperfection there's no way ukuthi perfection exist semhlabeni umuntu ophila emhlabeni kumele nazi nje ukuthi ayikho perfect we are not perfect you now lapha ekhaya you are not perfect uyangibamba
izo lonto
nabayikubahuda abantu
asithatha uhlangothi
hayi lutho
simotivate ngapha
khala ngapha
ola bafo simotivate ngale kwekamera nina siphinde sishaye ngapha so nje ayidlapha ukuthi manje ngapha into soba soft or in cha yeah bafethu asisihlale nje odabeni singalokhu siya le sinosisa abawuthula bayakhala bakhala ke ngalokho abantu abahlezi bekhala ngakho indaba uyangijolela why ungijolela why ungasangitsheli mawasangifuni why ungakhulumi nami makhona inkinga ekhona why ungijolela umbuzo nje njalo uyangijolela why ungijolela jolelelana
The question is
wathi omunye ngoba uyangithanda pho ngijolelelani yini ungithanda bese yakhumbula leyo episode wabuza lokho wathi ngoba uyangithanda
manje ungijolelelani
ngoba ngiphethe kahle uyangenzela yonke into pho ngijolelelani
yini ungijolele evusi mfowethu
asazi kwasho lo mfazi esuzidla athi asasonke endlini
akwazi
endlini kuhlele umndeni uphelele
kwathi ubani osuzidla thwasa akekho vuma akekho vuma
no sibize osisi besho ukwenzakalani
anisondele bodade
ingilozi zami
anzeni
siyo wena lenze ngaye la seningabami nini
omunye angangena ngapha omunye ngapha
omunye bengale hamba kanjani
sanibona
siphela njani
khona naze nabahle
uyasiyabonga vele
awahleka kangaka
Mokuthiwa nazi nabahle ngabe uthi siyabonga wena uyahleka why uhleka
nginjena yazi nginjena ngihlezi ngismile
okay no guys siyabonga ukuthi nibhalele iDweza TV okusho ukuthi lokho kuchaza ukuthi nibeni yasithemba ukuthi singanisiza ngalenkinga enze ngayo angakasitsheli inkinga yini kodwa vele sesiyazi ngikabahle sidila inkinga yodwa hlezi sidila inkinga yodwa siyazama ukubasiza abanye basizakala abanye baba nenkani hayi mina ngisamthanda hayi mina hayi phuma wena yabo into kanjalo hlezi kukhona kokuningi sinobani la negama obani siswami
Tlangelani
Mkhawani yes Tlangelani
Mkhawani
ukhuluma iphi language
Xitsonga
Xitsonga wabulabula
hayi
namhlanje siyabulabula kwebaba
hayi timakata khona izimanga zakhona hayi izimanga zakhona
siyabulabula ke namhlanje
siyabulabula
my sister igama obani
Imufifi
Fifi uFifi yena umZulu umtsonga
Mzulu at the same time ngiyabulabula
bulabula
nawe uyabulabula
ngiyabulabula
so mawuthi umZulu at the same time uyabulabula usho ukuthi mhlawumbe umama wangala ubaba wangala okay ukhulele kuphi ematsongeni
ukhulele khona la eJersey
sengisho ukuthi la ifamily ukhulele la ikhuluma isitsonga or ikhuluma isiZulu
khuluma isitsonga
so ukhulele ngesitsonga then ngoba usegoli ke then iZulu uyasazi nawe iZulu uyasazi
hayi angisazi isiZulu angisazi kahle
la uhlala khona ekhasi lakho uri kuphi la uhlala khona ngamatsonga odwa
ematsonga bakhona amaZulu marayi angikhuluma isiZulu mina at least isipedi ke sibulela wona siZulu ngisikhulumi
uyangizwa nje manje uthi ngithini
ngiyakuzwa vele ayiyeyu
cha sengimina wena futhi isinto sengibuka ngalo size ngayo la ukuthi une type uthanda amatsonga
uthanda amatsonga
kahle uthanda yini le ungathi wena le amatsonga nayo engathi iyathandwa
I think it depends on a person's personality like yabo
but yini le ndume ngayo ezamatsonga uthandweni
respect
and behavior
respect
so obvious now uyafuna uspeak respect okay so ngibuze la my sister yini le ubani igama lo muntu ezize ngayo kwenzakalani vele kahle wayisila
okay mothoki kinozipho ne
nozipho
kilibitso la hayi
litso laye
sorry to intombazana is it a woman
like it's
okay no it's fine okay you can continue I'm sorry
so kinozipho ne ke yena motho lori ke ratana le yena nne so ke tseba ke ratana le yena ke le one very exactly because ke bona like dio tshelo re o ndirela tsona like azanka ke bona gore ona le motho mongwe ko side
go bona flex akazibona
like o ntshwara sharp like o ka skushishi like you know
wakuthwara sharp
exactly
nozipho
like I think o perfect mara so like we won't see anything gore o dira lang kontle wa bona
so ubani lo o founder uthe lento le wasibiza and wena my sister or wena
I'm the one
wena
wena
otholile uthi nozipho uyafeba kahle
yes
unozipho unesikhathi singakanani unaye
7
months ile echazile lesamhlangana mayekushela ubani washela omunye because sengibuzwile ukuthi nozipho ngathi umuntu wesifazane lesbian
yes lesbian
okay no I know ngiyabuza serious vele ngifuna ukwazi lesbian othandana lesbian iyo le nifebilayo
yona
Manje wayenhleka.
Okay.
Ay.
Yahlekile.
Sad, mara not like really.
Bena expect something.
Yeah, ish.
Okay. Ubusasho la my sister ukuthi okay, mawuhlangana naye yini yakuchaza ngaye wathandana. Bungathandani nabafana before.
I did.
Busana nabafana.
Yeah.
So mawuhlangana naye buku relationship or bungekho kuye.
Wasn't like bengekho kwi relationship. So the first time we met, ungitshele about the situation yakhe. Then not the way abantu bamtreata ngakhona, so like okay, ngabona ukuthi I situation yakhe it's almost similar to mine yabo. Then sayicala this thing friendship, then from there sayiqhuba vele. Yes.
Oh, okay. So from lapho kwa develop amathando naqala
Yes,
naqala lenzani nakhisana.
Bit by bit, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but wena ngeke kwenzeke mhlawumbe uyithole usubuyele ebafaneni or mhlawumbe inini or mhlawumbe wena usu decide vele ukuthi impilo yakho sokuyile ukuthi uthanda abantu bes
I did decide it, but then since ngibona ngathi he's turning his back over me, then I should go back.
ebafaneni.
Yeah.
Bazokugila nabo.
Hayi bona bazongila yebo ngiyavuma, but I wasn't expecting into enjengale from me.
But kungcono ngapha I think kungcono ugilwa umuntu ongenayo into ecijile, ugila yabo uyadlala udlala nje ngento elize.
But kuyafana ngidikiliza nje, kuyafana. But then like kuyafana.
So na usisi uthi basically usisi uzobuyela back to ebafaneni.
I don't mind, I can go back.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
Ubufunani ngapha emantombazaneni?
Yeah.
Why from the first place what decide ukuthi mina awenginike umuntu wesimame?
Wona bafana besibekhethe kakhulu.
Ay bangihate too much, bangicrasha to the point ukuthi yeah, no more.
So
no
now
more.
usewenza one more.
I never thought ukuthi ngadate naye. I never thought.
Awucabanga ukuthi yena ubungacabanga ukuthi nazo
bengasitshela ukuthi like la ngisuka khona ngiyobuyela khona futhi yabo.
Oh, ayingabe ngiyak-advise bathe anginga-advise. Kakhulu kodwa sobona at the end of the show.
So my sister. Konje kama sobani? Nhlangelani. Nhlangelani. My angazi ukuthi my brother or my sister. Kodwa lo upartner wakho lo naye. Yini le ichazile maniqala ukuhlangana. Uwamshela uyawashela wena.
Akena ashithi wena then ubuletsele nna so le nna ka feel ka re like one thabisa so then ka bona ka re ai
uthabisa ngani izinto lezi ezenziwa abantu abadala ukuthabisa ngokwempilo nje. Yeah,
like pile aka no ke mona ine tlala lethabo like yeah, so ka feel gore like yeah I can
simple relationship. So when you were dating boys before?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we decide to watlogele my boys uthathe banyana.
You know, there's no reason, it's just my mind like
okay.
Yeah. Ke rona just like because ka bona gore bashimane yeah like yeah. No, I don't have reason.
Okay. So now what are you gonna do now? Like must after that, what's gonna be your conclusion, decision? Are you gonna leave this girl? Are you gonna continue with her?
I think I have to continue because I love her, yeah.
You'll continue?
Yeah, I think.
You think she deserves your love?
I don't
or
think so,
you don't care
like,
when if
I think right now no, I don't have a decision, so I think yeah,
okay.
So ngiyamthanda vele mina, so that's why I say I have to continue yabona.
Oh when it doesn't
hate you ungethile lo muntu.
It doesn't matter ukuthi wenzeni wena, as long as samthanda you still gonna continue.
Yes.
Into esho ile.
Yeah.
So ukuthi wenzani uyakhhetha noma akakheti wena, as long as samthanda you still gonna continue.
Uyabona if we choose ne, if angangichoose vele angeke ngimforce
zophuma kuyi. If maybe choose again.
Okay.
Ngakumforce.
So wena unankinga.
If you choose no2.
Yo. Mela choose omi1. Si2 angeke yenze lento ya.
Ungakhohlwa ukuthi my sister le akusisona speed dating. Lo muntu unichithelile.
Yeah.
This is not speed dating. What is happening there?
No.
This is not speed dating. Lo ungakhohlwa ukuthi ukuchithelile. I'm just giving you a heads up ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu ukuchithelile akusiyona speed dating, akusiyi blind date le ukuthi mhlambe kumele choose ukuthi hayi mina ngizochoose lo ngithanda lo. This is ngoba sila le gama le show uyangijolela, so which means lo muntu wenzeni ukujolelile. Uyangibamba? Akanayo angeke kwazi ukufika la ezothi yena mina ngichuza lo kube ngathi yena uNkulunkulu akasiyena uNkulunkulu. At this point in time kuzomela nawe mfethu uthathe decision ukuthi itsidi uyichuza wena or uzochuza le relationship le oqhashazwa kuyo. Because I believe mina ukuthi if uthi umuntu uyamthanda angeke ukwazi ukumchithela, angeke ukwazi futhi ukumfaka kwi-competition ukuthi manje kumele compete nomunye umuntu. Because manje usekufaka kwi-competition nobani nosisi. Uyangibamba? Angisho ukuthi mlahle, angisho ukuthi kwenza kanjani, but I'm just giving you a clear vision ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle kahle. Phela nje.
Ngiyangizizwa ngoba.
Yebo.
Wangero.
Ngiyayibona manje ya.
Okay.
Now my sister, I think the same
Yeah,
statement.
same applies.
This is the same statement now uzwela ngithi. Yes. So uma ngenzeka nje lapha efike la esuchuza wena uzothini after sozwile lokho kushiwo uzothini?
Yeah, ngizohetheka, but then I got nothing to do.
Mayichuza wena it's akamthandi my sister uthanda wena.
We still have a lot.
Utholile wara hey uyakuthanda in how long nindawo naye?
7 months.
7 months.
Yeah.
How long nindawo naye?
3 months.
3 months. Oh, okay. Darunai. Yeah, I should.
So I thought that I was the official one, cause nje noba phuma I had a hope ukuthi umuntu uyemsebenzini vele uyenza everything in time, like so masekwenzeka so nje.
Okay.
Angazi.
Okay. No, we're gonna call the partner.
Yeah.
And then makafika uzobe sesho yena ukuthi ke kwenzakalani, nizombuza ukuthi kuyenzakalani, and then uzokhuluma naye wena njengomuntu okuwena oplane naye ukuthi nawe date. Yes, and then my sister uzohamba uyocasha, we're gonna hide you, and then mayifika and then akhuluma ukuthi uyakuchithela or not, and then size ukuthi uthini, and then usobe sesiyakubiza my sister, and then you guys you'll decide ke ukuthi niqhubeka naye or uyamiyeka or nifuna isithembu or kwenzakalani, angazi. Manje awukwenzeki njengoba kuyiwinter ukukhumbule la ukade udlala khona kudala.
Hayi ngikukhumbula.
Ubani wena ubhalile ngithi?
Ukukhumbula.
Ngicela niconfirm le number ngabe iyona le?
Yona.
Okay, all right. Ngicela ukufona ke bafethu.
Yeah. Ungajampisa ukuthi konto yazi konto icasulile ube right nje ube sharp. Ube calm, basho la belongo.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
What's up?
Yeah, ngishapu.
Nami ngiyaphila, ukuphi manje?
Usendlini.
Hayibo, I've been waiting for you kunini. 30 minutes yonke kunini awuqede naye.
It's okay. It's ngiyafika manje. Give me 10 minutes.
Please do. Ngathathi isikhathi kade ngilindile.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cha. Sihlangana kephi?
Usually.
Oh,
Mr.
you
Lekane.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Nina manihlangana njalo uhlangana kuphi? Mawuyohlangana la yena. Ngiyaphuma somewhere uyafika la.
Hayi asifiki la.
Uyaqala ukuza ngala hlala khona.
Ya ngiyaqala.
Manje utsene no 3 months vele.
Ya, 3 months.
Bengakulezi. Onokufika vele ngapha wena.
P.
La unokufika la.
Yeah, I know this place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ngijwayele.
Ngijwayele. It's our zone.
Oh, just to fill you in guys, nje ukufila in nabantu emakhaya ukuthi may 30 minutes kade ngilindele. Uke wamthinta before the show. Ukusho mhlawumbe besaqoka or in so now ngoba semfonela. Umfonela that's why ethi kade emlindile. So into esoyenza ke izithandwa zami ukuthi ngizohambana na ngosisi sami socasha because akumelanga abonakala ukuthi naye ukhona. Yabo uzobonakala after. Ngiyafisa ke emakhaya nkosami ukuthi nize ukuthi sobe sixoxa ukuthini nonanga kuhamba igama lakho sithando sami
Nhlangelani.
uNhlangelani ukuthi sobe sixoxa inonhlangelani but unfortunately ayo kwamanje but ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uhambela kini nize ukuthi sikhulumani lapha yami esuke sicashile asambe ke Nhlangelani siye ucasha.
nami ngathi ngiyocasha nabo sondela baba ngathi uthethe uzomtapa lo ya
Hey,
phela nami
mina ngiyamthanda like honestly ngiyamthanda but then into ezenzayo nje
uthene na how long nindawonya
7 months.
7 months
Mhm.
oh okay so wena 7 months ukade 7 months plus nezinye inyanga ukade wagcina uba nomuntu
Wesilisa.
ukuthanda nomuntu wesilisa
Ngina 7 months
ungasathanda nomuntu wesilisa
plus yeah.
oh okay no ngiyakuzwa so my sister la ozala ngiyaxolisa ukumbiza ngoma my sister mfethu athi ngithi partner yakho le mayifika la uma mhlawumbe kwenzeka mfethu ngoba nina 7 months exolisa ukuthi uyaxolisa ulingekile ku my sister lo moya ngoba basana 3 months ulingekile uyaxolisa ungamxolela yini
Yes I can.
uzomxolela
Yes but then kwamela ahlukane naye.
so uzofuna ukuthi ahlukane naye la on the spot
Yes.
phambi kwakho buka
Yes.
umtshele lokho
And kwamela upload nama number wakhe like I make sure it's either ngiyathatha ifoni yayiphula or I do something.
yabona uma ungayilweli akekho uzokulwela yeah thina silana ukuzonibonisa nje ukuthi nayo intenzakalayo but then ekugcineni ungayilwela wena yabo
Yeah.
yes ulwela into yakho ayikho inkingi kodwa makuthi uyinto ongayilwela asibaza sikakamboni kodwa if siyabona ukuthi cha ayikahle sokutshela nathi ukuthi hayi ungalokhu ulwela qhubeka whatever uyenza ngabe uyafunda ngabe uyasebenza wenzani phela
Entrepreneur.
entrepreneur
Yeah.
oh, okay nguye lezo ngana no hayi ungaxake ngama camera maskis cela sondele kanjani igama lakhe noze
Ndipha.
bani
Yeah.
askis
Camera
sorry njani cela ungabingelelana bafethu sizoyichaza indaba yama camera ayikho into embi ayikho into wrong ngabingelelana nje right
Yeah.
umtshele mama ukuthi akhululeke
Kululeka. Ngawari.
Ngeke khona ukukhululeka mfethu
Makamera.
yo
askis mina nguvusi ngibuya ku Diyeza TV ngoba ubona nje leskipa lesi asibo sine TV Diyeza TV yes sibhalelwe my sister lana washo ukuthi uzohlangana nawe namhlanje so thina what we do siyenza ama interview just ama vlog kahle kahle yabo nabantu abathandanayo just uqoqozela abantu emakhaya ukuthi ekuse uthando lukhona but kuyathandwana emhlabeni ku right zonke into zi right yabo so my sister besitshela la ukuthi namhlanje nizophuma khona la niyakhona sazi ukuthi niyapi kodwa nje ushilo thina nizophuma so wasasibiza ukuthi sifike i-chance ukuthi sibe khona lesikhulume nani in so my sister besasitshela ukuthi na 6 months nendawo ngithi 6 months ne
No, it's 7.
7 months oh yes asikithi nginkinga yokukhohlwa ushilo ukuthi na 7 months nendawonya and uyasho ukuthi uyakuthanda and since nindawonya ulokho happy ilokho happy and uyimisele kakhulu ngawe so ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe nawe uyi-same page uyamthanda yini enga-invest isikhathi sakhe singaka kuwena kanti wena ukho la wena mhlawumbe masumdala uzovela ushadele umkhonyana uthola abantwana uyabo so ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe usendaweni right yini udlaleni ngayo
angidlali ngaye umuntu wami lo yazi
Umuntu wakho?
yeah
okay no it's fine omunye umbuzo enginawo angifuni ukuthatha isikhathi esiningi omunye umbuzo enginawo ukuthi mangathiwa ngoba umuntu wakho uyamthanda uyazi mangathiwa umbamba uyajola mhlawumbe ujola nendoda or mhlawumbe ujola nentombazane whatever kodwa nje mawuthi umbamba uthi uyacheat uyajola ungamxolela yini
eish Ngikho angicabanga ukuthi ngamxolela
Kanjani ngekho sho.
ngeke umxolele
hayi
awumthandi
ngiyamthanda but mangintsola nomunye umuntu I don't think
yini
So.
I don't think so
ngeke umxolele phela
yeah
so mawuthi vele umbamba nomfana ngaba wes
yeah ubona umfana eish enye into ke lapho
intombazane kodwa nentombazane still futhi nakhona ngumxolele kodwa
intombazana ngamxolela but umfana eish angikhoni
okay
yeah
mangathi ubamba wena uthi uyacheatha uwespect usexolele yena
eish fanele abe understanding yabona
Understanding how.
baby uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda
Shit, siyathandana. Uyangithola ngiyachitha. Awungixoleli. Then expect me ukuthi ngixolele.
angisho mawasandana nendoda ngeke ngikuxolele but makuyintombazane at least
Intombazana say so if ever wena uthandana nayo le ntombazana akachithele. Akithini?
Okay, it's fine. Angizange kulethe inkinga la bengibuza nje just ukwazi ukuthi ke uma ngathiwa uyachisa ukamxolela yini nawe ungamxolela yini but yebo ukuthi inento kumele nelungise. Yes, yeah into kanjalo. But then angeke simoshe ngesikhathi esiningi. Sizonishiya la niqhubeke nosuku lweni singaze sinimoshele usuku lweni. Ngicela nihambe senimibuzo eminingi. So kune surprise esiphethe ne? I-surprise esiphethe isengweyithina but i-choice yakho my sister because uthathe nje into eyazi ukuthi okay uzoyijabulela njengomuntu wakhe I believe ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi uthanda into kanjani.
Okay.
So kuphathele surprise so sokunika surprise yakho and then thina bese siqhubeka nosuku lwethu nani niqhubeke nosuku lwenu.
All right.
Okay. Ngizocela ukuthi ume ubheke le uzofuna ukumvala amehlo or ungafuna kumthinta. Ufuna ukumvala? Okay. Vala amehlo. Okay. Bafo so lengimbizayo uBafo yena ophethe surprise because phela ungeke ufike la surprise ubuzoyibona ufika nje so yena beyucasha naye sithembe ukuthi uzoyithokozela ngabuzo
Uzoyithokozela?
Yeah, make it so.
Are you sure? Yeah. All right. Mama sure.
ngizokubalela ka u3 ne bese yaphenduka 3 2 1 and then ungamtetela bese yaphenduka surprise
Tumela me.
Sando yethu ibona kahle yamazi
Yeah.
okay
Unjani?
ngaqhubeka uchaza
Yaphila. Hayi siyaphila nathi. Nje kuze singalokho simoshelana isikhathi nje. Besicela nje ukuthi ubuza nje umbuzo ozowuphendula futhi ngokweqiniso ngoba i-situation sikanje. Yabo. Ngabe yamazi into sisi.
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Uyamazi.
amazi kanjani
Ish. Zwana naye.
uzona naye
Yeah.
nalo sicela sondela ngapha elangeni angifuni ingodono ngifuna
Uzwana nabo bobabili.
Yasmin
Yebo, ish.
uzona naye nalo uzona naye boyi2 bayakwazi lokho bona boyi2 ukuthi boyi2 bazona nawe or mawucabanga khani bakwazi manje
Cha ngithi khani bakwazi manje.
uzizwa kanjani ngalokho mhlawumbe yini ongafuna ukisho kubona since kukhani bekwazi manje
Bengathanda ukuthi sazane sonke and then sizame yabona ukuthi sijwayele sonke zikho.
angazi mhlawumbe ngisazokhuluma mhlawumbe nginikhulumela okay ngithanda ukuthi bazane bonke ubani lona wazana kulona ulona ubani lona ubani okay angisho amagama sengisho ukuthi nje chaza phela ukuthi mama lona nangomunye ngithandana naye lona ngithandana then sizwe ukuthi baphendula abathini bona ama respond wabo because ngiyabona ukuthi isifiso sakhe leso
Wow.
Right, F uThilo.
Okay.
Yeah, ngimazifo.
abantu bakama alphabet
So
qhubeka
love mouth to T, like what do you mean like T?
uthando lwethu siyathandana mhlawumbe
Oh kanye uthanda.
uthi wani umngani wakho nenzani
No, umuntu wami 3 months. Yeah. And then I've been with her 7 months. Yeah.
so ifuna wenzani ifuna ukuthi bezane bemukelane
Yeah, sithandane sonke niyabona ngoba ngithanda nonke uthando lami. But na
So like you expect me to be on a triangle?
Akusi triangle baby.
It is.
No, siya share. You know, sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Sharing is caring, okay? So nami ngathukuzisi kancane ngizdaste nje. Cha.
Yabona
Then
lokho.
why you expect me ukuthi ngdaste na ngapha?
Try to be understanding mfethu.
Understanding
Ngibhayizile uyabona. But ngiyamthanda lo muntu.
umthanda ukudlula la
Cha.
ubani umthanda kakhulu umthanda yena yezwa njalo lapho utangathi umthanda kakhulu so okay
So
ngicela
wena, you say ukuthi uyangithanda kakhulu more than her. Yini enginayo yena anganayo?
mhlawumbe lezi zinto enenza ngazo mhlawumbe lezi zinto enenza ngazo unamathuluzi amaningi unamathuluzi amancane
Lona abulela mos abulela na lena re hlakana rona le motho mos ha sa ka mbotsa mos a ke tsibi ntwe a ke tsibi
Oh baby.
o ska re baby a ke tsibi ntwe ke tsiba ntwe ka tsiba nna a ke tsibi ntwe ka tsiba
Ne ke tlo mhlala motjona.
So ngicela ukubuza first ngiyabuza nje I know le question ezoyibuza mhlawumbe deep or iningixolele wonke umuntu engixolele but ngiyi-question nje engizwa ifika manje ekhanda lami ngitshele ngathi boyithu uthandana nabo and iplan yakho ukuthi vele bezana egcineni ufuna abazana
yebo
okay ngicela ukubuza
wait uthi bofuna sazana ngithi then but then uthandana ukuthi bofuna ukungihlala wangangihlala ngekusedla then ube free
nambani ungenzi sona not ekamereni ebantwini yabona
no amaqiniso babe just like ube free ngibe free singadlali
khona masikhuluma sifike endlini sikhulume kahle yabo
no asikhulume la sokhuluma nendlini yini
sizokhona ukuthi masopholile umoya manje ngathi
mfethu okay wait okay before siqhubeka i-question nami engakayibuza le ngifuna ukuyibuza okay kade ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi since uthandana nabo boyithu kanje and obviously uyayenza ishandisi leni yenzayo ukumotivate uthando nangapha futhi ni abantu awonye motivate uthando ngithi uyangithola ngithini ngikhuluma ngani yes ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi usebenzisa same tools la wasebenzisa kulo phinde wageze bese uqedile uzosebenzisa ngapha
uyayifaka nje sanitize
cha guys kunama tools for each person
unawakhe ayafana mhlawumbe ukuthi mhlawumbe uphethe itools elingaka lalo asifani
ubani ongathi ushango size ongathi mkhulu
it's a bit personal ngeke ngikhona ukuphendula
no ngibuzela for protection ukugula because since ubabhanqa kanje mhlawumbe ngeze ukuthi uthathe itools elilodwa usebenzise ngapho uphinde ubuye nalo uligeze uphinde ubuye nalo uzolisebenzisa ngapho ulobo lalise ema-icini
hayi wonke umuntu nokwakhe
okay
wonke umuntu nokwakhe
sesikuzwile my sister ne uyachaza into yakho ukuthi okay umuntu nokwakhe uyabathanda boyithu sicela ukuzwa ngawe my sister ukuthi wena kule nkulumo mhlawumbe uthini
hayi mina angifuni like akinyakushare sharing it's not my vibe akinyakushare is better I be alone maybe single not or ke share motho antho enka se dire
ngicela ukubuza mfethu why uthandana naye abafana kade bengakusheli why nithandana bebekushela
yeah
and then boba
ngibafuna abafana mina
so now what are you gonna do you're gonna go back or ungakhohlwa uzuyishilo lento iqaleni just ngifuna ukuthi ayezwe naye what's gonna happen
the problem lena kumina ukuthi ngibuyele emuva
okay so uzoqhubeka naye because uthi uyanithanda uyakuthanda uzoqhubeka naye
ngiyafuna ukuqhubeka naye mara akitsibi urena
uthi ufuna ukuqhubeka naye kanjani because we on a triangle
so uyavuma ukuba kungena le triangle
leyo ayinampendulo okwamanje like ayinampendulo but then I don't think ukuthi ngayithatha ishit because it's obviously akamazi noma ngimazi then next thing asazi ukuthi hamba wenzani into zakhe nanani uyabuya azokhulisa lo then lona uyabuya uzojampela mina futhi I don't think ukuthi I could take this shit angiboni
so uyaphuma na relationship
angiboni nje yena uzodecide ubaba ukuthi ucabangeni angeke ngidecide
okay baba over to you
mina ngicela ukuthi sihlangane sikhulume kahle
sihlangene lana baba
no in private without the cameras yabona
go try camera baba naba
my camera
so wena unaka icamera kunokuthi unaka uthando lwakho oluzomoshakala njengamanje
ngifila ngathi manje yabona
no this is up to you it's a choice
ngicela boyithu
ngicela I have a question for wena la yazi
noZipho
wena noZipho ngicela nje uqala ngikubuze and ngifuna ube honest are you ready to date are you ready to be in a relationship yes or no I want you to be honest because I'm sensing something are you ready to be in a relationship yes or no because sometimes ngazitshela ukuthi thina sifuna ukuba ku relationship kanti we still wanna play yangibamba khona abantu abafuna ukuba ama relationship kanti bafuna ukudlala
or mhlawumbe ubona umunye ejola nawe
yangibamba wahala ukujola so lento leyo ukuthi uzothi wena uthi ufuna ukuthandana nomuntu because abantu bacanga relationship is a joke ukuthandana nomuntu is not a joke you cannot say wena ngithi mina ngiyakthanda bese uphinda ungisho kunakusisa ukuthi ngiyamthanda it doesn't work like that the minute uthi ufuna kuba ku relationship, that's why I bet uma ufuna ungena ku relationship, you need to make sure that you are ready for a relationship. You've done all the things that mhlambe ebheda uyangibamba, so uzokwazi ukuzicommit kulo akusiwona umshado, but kumele ube loyal kulowo muntu loyo, na futhi kumele ube loyal to yourself. Uyangibamba,
kumele ube loyal to yourself.
More than anything, you need to be loyal to yourself, because if you are not loyal to yourself, you cannot be loyal to your girlfriend or to your boyfriend or whatever, or to your partner. So when ngikho ngikubuza ukuthi mina wena, are you ready to be in a relationship now? Because abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi ready kuba ku relationship only to find out ukuthi you are not ready to be in a relationship. You are on the only thing ofuna okumele uyenze nje ukuthi usafuna ukudlala and mayisikhathi sokudlala semhlabeni vele uyangibamba, and ube honest ukuthi ukuse mina mfethu angikho ready for a relationship. Can we at least play uyangibamba? Can we satisfy each other's needs uyangibamba? Because me, I'm not ready to be in a relationship. Yes, I like you as a person, I like you as a human being, I think you are a good person, but I am not ready to be in a relationship. So that lo muntu lo ezokwazi ukuyikhethela yena ukuthi uzokwazi ukwenza lento le noma ngekwazi ukuyenza. Ungasho ungaqamba manga ukuthi wena mina ngifuna ukuthandana naye, because egcini kosuku uzogcina uhate ama feelings aloyo muntu masumchithela njengalento le oyenzela. That's why ngikuphinde ngikubuza lo mbuzo, are you ready now to be in a relationship? Yes or no?
No.
You are not ready to be in a relationship. Please kindly apologize to these two beautiful ladies ukuthi ngiyaxolisa, because ngiyayisenza lento ukuthi actually when you think this is a joke, are we taking it serious yangibamba? So that's why ngize ngikubuza ukuthi are you ready now to be in a relationship? So please do, I think they deserve an apology from you, and then from here thina ngeke sikuvimba ukuthi nenze whatever yangibamba. The only thing that we want from you is honest, ukuthi ube honest nomuntu ukuthi okay mfethu mina I like being around you, I like hanging out around you yabo, ngiya-enjoy energy yakho yabo, ngiya-enjoy sex yakho or whatever. Now futhi the same thing, kusemhlabeni izinto ziyenzeka yangibamba, but now efunakalayo phambili is honest no ne transparency phela nje.
So ring
Ish.
uthi eish
Bafethu ngiyaxolisa.
Yeah, ngiyaxolala ne, but then I want to know. The last time I was on introduce emndenini wakho, wawugone too much or what happened? Bo high or bocabangeni? Because I had a whole boost here.
At that time, Yazi, it was the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
bongarele zangu sokahlahla kwabikho ready wena.
No, I thought I was ready. But
You
then
thought?
manje, I thought I was ready, yes. But ngiyabona ukuthi cha, it's not something I want to do.
okay.
Yeah.
So mina ngiyophenduka isihlekiso kahle kahle.
No, it's not a matter of
Obvious.
it was
That's
intentional.
obvious.
So
nakhona.
asike sikuyingena le ndaba usafuna ukuqhubeka yini? Noma usuyabuza?
Mina ngiyabuza cause nje noma yini mayenzeke asithile noma yini.
Useshilo vele ukuthi iyaxolisa ubengekho ready. Ukuzwile lakho?
But then that's obviously ngiyoba isihlekiso mina. Okay. Bengekho ready why because I introduce emndenini.
Uzoba ihlekiso kubani?
Then next okay we broke up now. Bangibona nabanye abantu. Obviously ngiyoba isihlekiso.
Uzobatshela umuntu osanda naye wayengekho ready.
Cha, nanokuthi futhi uzoba ihlekiso kubani?
No, you know I hate changing my partner yabo.
Yeah.
So I want to stick with one person. Engazi ukuthi yeah, this one he's the one. So this new change my partner.
Okay, sorry. No. You are saying you don't like changing ama partners. Ufuna ukusticka no partner oyi-one. Ozoba loyal kuwe nawe ube loyal kuyena. Ufuna le nto leyo wena. That's what you are looking for. No. You need to stop looking. Yazi why you stop looking? Sometimes when you stop looking, you attract what you are looking for. Don't force it. Ezinye izinto my sister I forced. Sometimes kumele uyirelaxele wena, because bathi lento le bathi self development is the most important thing emhlabeni before anything else. Before umsebenzi, before your relationship, before in self development. So when you develop yourself as a person, you're going to start attracting the things that you want. So you need to develop yourself before ukuthi uzongena kwi-relationship uzoyibona izoyifikela yona i-relationship. So uma uthi abantu bazothini, I want to come to that statement ukuthi abantu bazothini. Let me tell you something about abantu ukuthi bazothini bazokuhleka. La ngoba sila emhlabeni nasithanda sami, we are not here to please anyone. Number one, we are not here ukuthi ngizonesa ama feelings abantu ukuthi usibanibani uyangizonda, usibanibani ungikhuluma kabi, ukuthi kunjani njani. Those people don't matter. The only person that matters right now at this point is you. Because this is your journey at the end of the day. Ukuthi usibanibani uyakubona la ku Dwaza TV ukuthi awulo sisi bamenze nje, it doesn't matter. Ukuthi uzokuthuka ethi hey lo sisi uyabheda, no. At the end of the day, this is your own life. You focus on your own life. This is your journey. But most importantly, self-development. Develop yourself before uthole uthando. You're gonna find love. It is there. That's it.
No, ngiyabonga by the way.
Yeah.
Thanks, yeah.
Sure,
thanks.
no
It's
problem.
True, yeah.
Anytime.
Yeah.
My sister, alright.
Yeah, I'm fine. Sharp.
Wena mhlawumbe ngingathini kwakho from kusho uthi uyaxolisa bengekho ready.
Apology accepted, but ke nagana gore wa yena sa re botsa ga lore a ready because no so o re yena o be se ready wa sa bolela ga yeah
Inkinga ngisakuzwa ngayo. Uthini? Uthi uqale phansi.
Akire o re wa apologize ne. So I'm saying yes, apology accepted ne.
Yes.
But why a sa re botsa ga le gore yena a ready?
Or she's not.
Yeah, she's not ready. Why? Because no so or yeah, I was not ready. Why a sa bolela ga?
Uthi wayetshela ukuthi u ready.
Hey.
No.
Mara
Ke realize no hasilile babedi so gore wa itse ke.
oh,
Uchunele floor.
Yeah.
so flop ya ga o dira gore o bone gore o se ready no.
Yeah, inyaka gore le nna nketse self introspection before.
I like the maturity around the questions and buzana ona and the responses. She responded. My mom said,
When I rise, you accept. Are you gonna move on?
Yeah, I think yeah. It's
Are you
going to
gonna
move on. Na kita move on.
Uzazophola. Nokuphola kubalekile nakho ku right.
sengabe ngiphoxa ke sesikhulume kangaka.
Yeah.
I was.
Feeling nice.
But when if I need decision yakho ukuthi uyayeka. Awu correct. Safuna ukuyithola naye ube right. So kahle uyayeka. Hayi ukuthi yakudabha akasakuthanda. Okay, uyakudabha. Hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe akasakuthanda but uyayithola yini ukuthi safuna ukusithola more.
Yeah, sesicabanga.
Yes. So uyamnika lelo thuba lelo ukuthi okay it's fine. Ungakhululeka. Uyamnika leyo bho.
Yeah.
Uyamthanda.
Yeah, yena ngiyamthanda too much. Yena ngiyamthanda. But no. Ustakisa impilo yami lo muntu.
Kanjani?
Uyastakisa ngeke.
Isitakisa kanjani?
Hayi. Uyosicabanga until zekube nini? Uyosicabanga until when?
Oh so wena kahlahlo usho ukuthi ungamlinda. Kodwa manje awufuni ukumnika isikhathi.
Yebo, but till when? And after yonke lento le usa expect ukuthi mina kube easily ukuthi ngimtrust again.
Angithi that's why akukhulula.
So yena yangikhulula.
Yes. Angithi. So uyakhululeka. Uyayinqamula intambo ukuthi ungadla noma yikuphi manje. Akasakubopheleli.
Yeah.
Uyakhululeka.
Yeah.
Uyahamba.
Ngono.
Ileta isho ukuthi yena manje kahlahlo usesingili yena. Uyisho lo yena. Uyezwa mama?
Yeah.
Usesingili. Angithi njalo ngaze ngikhulule.
Yeah.
So ilona i-request yami bengicela ukuthi nje ungafiki ekhaya and come up with excuses please.
Ukuthi say sorry. La iqiniso vele. Kodwa ngiyezwa ukuthi amazi aphinde emela akaMakhona. Akazi. Thwili iphinde iphinde emefila akaphinde amakhona. Kodwa ngiyazi sebe singasekho ke lapho thina. Kodwa wena usuyamazi umuntu wakho somuntu onjani and useyibhezela ukuthi akekho ready and useyicelile ukuthi cela ispace sokuthi ayithole.
Yeah, he's more than welcome.
Sharp.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
utheni usisi yena utheni uthe wena engaphinde yenze njani
engaphinde engeze ekhaya kubo engafoni engathi nama excuses ukuthi uyaqolisa kahle
uyadana
uthi udani
naye uthi udani
so
now you are done uyaphila into sure don't burn bridges yokuthi don't burn bridges don't burn bridges lethu don't burn bridges ihamba kabili ke abantu bayebethi don't burn bridges but sometimes lento don't burn bridges mina ngibe ngitwist yabo sometimes kubheneka ama bridge esingafisi nokufisa ukuthi sibuyele kuwona yangibamba so ubothandaza ukuthi ngoba selishile leli bridge leli awubuyeli kulona ngoba likhethile laphinde la accumulate la kuphoxa so lento leyo uthi don't burn bridges mina kumina ayisebenzi but you only pray ukuthi since ama bridge mayisebhenekile pray ukuthi one day I'm not gonna need you yangibamba I'm not gonna need you cause ungihlukumezile wangiphoxa wabukisa ngami ebantwini
no as pets because idaba vele sicacile
yeah bangakhululeka
ungakhululeka my sister laba
vele sifike nabo yeah
vele isho ukuthi data ayisekho lebeni sinyakuyo because uthi hayi wena usuyahoqa lento yamathandana okay siyabonga
ngiyaxolisa futhi mafethu
shame
ufuna ubahaga lapha noma lasihage
ku right ubona ukuthi bazokukinya
right
yeah sure
ngiyabona ukho right
she's not okay
zoba right kodwa kushona ilanga la kusasa kuphinde kubuse kube elinye isuku kubuse kube olunye usuku yobo right all right
yeah I'm fine I'm right me
awuhithekanga unankinga ngushap
hayi kuyafana ngisenza kanjani ngizoba sharp hayi angikho right mara I think I will cope because ngenzekile vele
okay no it's fine my sister ngicela ukuthi ungakhululeka ne ungaya emotweni sizokuthola emotweni ungama nje vaka lopana lo oshuthayo and then ne ngifuna ukuzwa kahle usisi la
okay
yeah siyabonga angithi vele wena right unandi thank my sister konje igama uthe ubani Fifi yini le engaka phethu le eyenza ukuthi ubambeke kangaka lo muntu
this person different since ever ngiqala ukujola vele different and like angazi ngayikhalosa kanjani I don't know different nje la different from everything to my latest relationships yeah ngiyamthanda yena
but ngizomela uzama uaccept na mhlawumbe ngamcheck after 2 months after 3 months mhlawumbe
I know yena uzobuya kimi but
okay
yena uzobuya kimi I know but angazi ukuthi ngimresponda ngithini back but then umuntu o wrong uye nami ngaphinda ngaba wrong yeah
no my sister's kiss ne
any last words
made valley issue
any last words
I got no words
okay last words nje ukuthi yona my sister most ngoba usuhamba la angeke ngikhulume kakhulu but sometimes let's not expect people that we love to give us the love that we are giving them.
I know.
So which means umuntu uma umthanda unga expect ukuthi uzokuthanda ngalendlela le wena omthanda ngayo. Ilokho nje ngifuna ukusho. Hamba nalelo imazi lawa ke nje kuphela.
Uzoba right. Ufuna ihug. Ayifuna hug.
No, uzoba right.
Ayifuna ngapela hug.
Okay.
Okay, what ihug bobo.
Wasubuza ngaka.
Okay, no is fine my sister.
Kulungile ungahamba.
Okay, relax ngale lesizoba le show bese sifake emotweni ne. Ucasuka kamnandi ukuthi uhleka. Shabuke. Mana lapho ungahambi sizokhambisa emotweni. Ziningi imoto eyime lapho zoduka. Mana lapho. Yeah, mana lapho. Ungahambi. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu babukele emakhaya
athi zendabeni. Ngathi zendabeni.
Ngiyakutshela ngoba laba video laba senza abagqoka nje ngale ndawo babamba inkuzi ngoba laba video trend
yeah ifuthi ziyakhala
ala imzathu try ifone wena
eCape Town mfethu eCape Town ndoda ekapa ne Cape Town njalo
no bafethu siyabonga kakhulu we on 125k subscribers
yes 125k we are growing mfana
yeah siyabonga kakhulu bafethu siyabonga kakhulu Neduyaza ikhona bafethu ikhona bafethu Duyaza ikhona bafethu Duyaza
drip
kodwa ke yeah 125k. Siyabonga uthando enisipha lona. Siyathemba ukuthi na kwi-drip yethu uthando futhi kuzoba uthando olufanayo enizophinda nisiphe lona. Yonke into izoba khona ke information njengoba sesichazile nalapha kwi-intro ukuthi inamba khona Facebook Duyaza TV, YouTube Duyaza TV, Instagram Duyaza TV. Yonke into uzoyithola laphana indlela yoku-order, indlela yokwenzani kanjani kodwa ke ne-information eningi nje sazoyikhipha eziningi izinto bafethu nizoyithola even namasokisi,
ama-glove,
nama-under
konke,
namaphinti
yebo
weDuyaza. Okay, akithi bakhona abagqoka ama-under CR7
Cristiano Ronaldo. Ushaya nje nge-underband nje Duyaza TV.
La
uyiqhawe
ephethe ibhale
Duyaza TV.
Esumuntu wakhe mayigumula lapha
azi ukuthi uzwana neDuyaza TV.
Ayibona
ngeke akufebele
uzabona ukuthi
nawe mfowethu ngogqoka i-under Duyaza TV
ethi bayigumula umuntu wakhe ayibona ukuthi igqoka i-under Duyaza TV
mayesezokwenza leyo nto leyo uyibone lo moment leyo le yokugunyulana sekuqaqwana malokhunjana into zokugqoka.
Angisathanda ukukhuluma kakhulu la i-strong language la lelo hlelo because kunenye comment engiyibonile. Afuthi ama-comment siyafunda.
Siyafunda.
Kule comment ethe wemvuselelo. Yabona ukuthi yabona ukuthi
yakwazi personal.
Wemvuselelo. Awuyeke ukukhuluma engikhuluma manje phela siyakubuka siyakwazi phela manje
sikwazi uhlonipha.
Kunabantu bakidla abakubukayo.
Ish uyaxolisa.
Nkosi yami umsebenzi.
Khona nama-fans engifuna usiwamention la that are very every time may premiere iDuyaza TV they are always there.
Oh yes,
Usphoki if I'm not mistaken uNonhlanhla Joyce bese kubo iFrame. Yes, iFrame.
Those as asenzeni asibabize mayiqala
episode ilandelana. Okay, sizonimemeza futhi episode mayiqala. Mfethu labantu laba they are the first people to watch major premiere. Now hlezi babone ne. Okay.
No asivale mfethu.
No sambeni Chris.
Take us home.